Ever wondered how people make money from stocks or what the stock market actually is? Today, we're breaking it down into simple terms. Whether you're a complete beginner or just looking to understand the basics better, this guide will help demystify the world of investing. And don't worry, after this video, you'll understand how this powerful financial marketplace can work for you. Stock market concept. Think of the stock market like a marketplace, but instead of buying fruits and vegetables, people buy and sell small pieces of companies called shares or stocks. When a company goes public, it divides ownership into millions of shares. By buying a share, you become a partial owner of that company. Yes, you could own a tiny piece of Apple, Netflix, or Tesla. While trading used to happen on noisy trading floors with people shouting orders, today most trading happens digitally through stock exchanges like the New York Stock Exchange or NASDAQ. Price movements. But what makes stock prices go up and down? It's mainly supply and demand, just like any other market. When more people want to buy a stock than sell it, the price goes up. Conversely, when more people want to sell than buy, the price goes down. Many factors influence these buying and selling decisions. Company performance and profits play a major role in stock prices. Industry trends can affect entire sectors at once. Economic conditions, both local and global, can impact investor confidence. Global events often cause market reactions. Even breaking news can cause immediate price changes. Investment strategies. There are two main ways people try to make money in the stock market. The first is long-term investing, which involves buying shares of solid companies and holding them for years, earning from both price increases and dividends. The second approach is trading, where investors buy and sell stocks more frequently to profit from price changes. Smart investors don't put all their eggs in one basket. They diversify by investing in different companies. They spread their money across various industries. They also include different types of investments like bonds in their portfolio. Today, getting started in the stock market is easier than ever. Investment apps let you buy stocks from your phone. You can start with small amounts of money. These platforms allow you to learn as you go and track your investments in real time. Potential risks. But remember, the stock market comes with risks. Stock prices can go down as well as up, and there's no guarantee of profits. That's why it's essential to only invest what you can afford to lose. It's crucial to do your research before investing. Many people benefit from seeking professional advice. Above all, it's important to think long-term. In conclusion, despite short-term ups and downs, historically, the stock market has grown over long periods. For patient investors, it's been one of the most powerful ways to build wealth over time. Remember, successful investing isn't about getting rich quick. It's about making informed decisions and staying committed to your long-term financial goals. So, that's the end of this video. Now, if you have found the content helpful, don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.